Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of ultra-portable laptops. We'll be comparing three of the most popular options in 2024. The Asus Zenbook S13 Oled, the HP Dragonfly Pro, and the Samsung Galaxy Book3. We'll be breaking down their performance, display quality, battery life, and overall user experience. So whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who needs a powerful yet portable laptop, this video is for you. But before you make a decision, stick around till the end because we'll reveal the clear winner. I've also included links to these laptops in the description box below, so you can check out the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. The Asus Zenbook S13 Oled is a testament to engineering excellence, offering a blend of portability, performance, and stunning visuals. Weighing in at a mere 1 kilogram, it's a lightweight marvel that effortlessly slips into any bag, making it an ideal companion for the modern nomad. The heart of the Zenbook S13 Oled is its 13.3-inch 2.8K OLED display. This screen delivers exceptional color accuracy, deep blacks, and vibrant hues, making it a pleasure for both work and entertainment. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or simply browsing the web, the OLED panel provides a truly immersive experience. Powered by an Intel Core U-series processor, it offers sufficient performance for everyday tasks like browsing the web, word processing, and light video editing. While it may not match the raw power of higher-end processors, it strikes a balance between performance and battery life. One of the standout features of the Zenbook S13 Oled is its impressive battery life. With up to 11 hours of battery life on a single charge, you can confidently take on your day without worrying about power outlets. Additionally, the laptop supports fast charging, enabling you to rapidly recharge the battery when time is of the essence. It boasts a sleek and minimalist design with a slim profile and a sturdy aluminum chassis. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, and the touchpad provides precise input. The laptop also incorporates a fingerprint sensor for swift and secure authentication. While it is an excellent laptop, it's not without its flaws. One notable issue is the heat generated by the device, especially during intensive tasks. The bottom of the laptop can get quite warm, which may be uncomfortable for some users. Additionally, the lack of a touchscreen might be a drawback for those who prefer touch input. It's a compelling choice for those seeking a portable and powerful laptop. Its lightweight design, stunning OLED display, and impressive battery life make it an excellent option for students, professionals, and travelers alike. If you're willing to overlook the occasional heat issue, the Zenbook S13 Oled is a fantastic laptop that delivers on its promises. The HP Dragonfly Pro is a sleek and powerful laptop. Its minimalist design, sturdy build, and impressive performance make it a great choice for professionals who prioritize portability and productivity. The Dragonfly Pro boasts a stunning matte black chassis that exudes elegance and durability. The aluminum magnesium alloy construction ensures a robust and lightweight design, making it easy to carry around. The keyboard is a delight to use, with well-spaced keys that offer a satisfying tactile response. The touchpad is spacious and responsive, providing smooth and accurate input. The 14-inch touch display delivers vibrant colors and sharp visuals. However, the Dragonfly Pro compensates with excellent audio quality thanks to its 4 speakers that produce rich and immersive sound. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 7736U processor and 16 GB of RAM, the Dragonfly Pro delivers solid performance for everyday tasks and demanding applications. While it may not outperform high-end Intel-based laptops, it offers a good balance of performance and energy efficiency. The battery life is respectable, allowing you to work for several hours on a single charge. It offers a decent selection of ports, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports and a USB-C port. However, the lack of an SD card reader and a headphone jack may be a disappointment for some users. The laptop also includes a high-resolution webcam and a fingerprint sensor for secure and convenient logins. One of the standout features of the Dragonfly Pro is its dedicated hotkeys, which provide quick access to HP's 24/7 live support and other useful features. While this may not be a necessity for everyone, it can be a valuable asset for those who require immediate assistance. It's a well-rounded laptop that offers a compelling blend of style, performance, and portability. While it may not surpass the MacBook Pro in every aspect, it provides a strong alternative for Windows users who appreciate a sleek design and solid performance. The Samsung Galaxy Book3, while offering a sleek design and decent performance, falls short of expectations in several key areas. While it's lightweight and portable, the build quality feels somewhat compromised, with a mix of aluminum and plastic that doesn't quite match the premium feel of other Samsung laptops. The keyboard, though well laid out, feels a bit flimsy, and the trackpad lacks the precision and responsiveness of higher-end models. However, the connectivity options are ample, with a good selection of USB-A and USB-C ports, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack. Performance-wise, the 13th generation Intel Core i5-1355U processor is sufficient for everyday tasks like browsing the web, word processing, and video conferencing. However, it may struggle with more demanding workloads, such as video editing or running multiple resource-intensive applications simultaneously. The integrated graphics card is adequate for basic tasks, but won't handle demanding games or professional-grade graphics work. The 1080p display, while decent for general use, lacks the vibrancy and color accuracy of higher resolution and higher quality panels. The viewing angles are also somewhat limited, and the screen can appear washed out in bright light. The audio quality is acceptable, but it lacks the depth and clarity of higher-end laptop speakers. One of the highlights of the Galaxy Book 3 is its integration with the Samsung ecosystem. Features like device sharing and quick media transfer can be convenient for users who own other Samsung devices. However, the additional Samsung apps and services may not be essential for everyone. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 is a solid mid-range laptop that offers a decent balance of performance, portability, and affordability. However, it falls short of the premium experience that Samsung's other laptops deliver. If you're looking for a reliable and lightweight laptop for everyday tasks, the Galaxy Book 3 is a decent option. But if you need a powerful machine for creative work or gaming, you may want to consider other options. So which laptop should you choose? If you prioritize a stunning OLED display, lightweight design, and excellent battery life, the Asus Zenbook S13 OLED is the clear winner. If you need a powerful and versatile laptop with a solid build quality and excellent audio, the HP Dragonfly Pro is a great option. And if you're looking for a budget-friendly laptop with decent performance and Samsung ecosystem integration, the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 is a solid choice. The ideal laptop for you will largely depend on your individual needs and budget. I hope this video has assisted you in making an informed choice. Remember to check out the links in the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. See you in the next one.